Hi everyone! In this video, we will solve an equation using the subtraction and addition properties of equality. Solve this equation. The first thing I see is that we have some variables stuck inside the parentheses, and the best way to get those out is using the distributive property. So we'll use the distributive property here, and we'll use the distributive property here. However, I do see that this says minus 2. And when we distribute, we need to make sure that that negative is distributed into both of those inside the parentheses. So I'm going to change this to add the opposite so that it's adding a negative 2, which is the same as subtracting. So we didn't change any values. And that'll help us keep all of our signs correct when we distribute the negative 2 into the parentheses. So on the left side, we end up with 3 times 5, which is 15d. And 3 times 7 is positive 21. And then we'll copy the rest down since we didn't do anything with those. Same here. Now let's distribute the negative 2 in. So we have negative 2 times d is negative 2d. So I'm going to put plus negative 2d. And negative 2 times this one right here is minus 9. We can say minus a negative or add a negative 9. Or we could times the negative 2 times the subtraction sign, which gives us a positive. Or we can say the negative times the negative is a positive. Either way, we get plus 18 here. Minus 7d. And then we can combine all like terms. Here we have 15d and 11d on the left side. So we can combine those to give 15 minus 11 is 4d. And then we can combine the terms without any variables. 21 minus 8 gives us positive 13. And then on the right side, we'll find all of the like terms. We have 5d, negative 2d, and minus 7d. So we have 5d minus 2d gives us 3d, minus 7 gives us negative 4d. Then we can combine the other terms, 11 and 18, which gives us plus 29. Now we can combine all like terms with the variable on one side of the equation and all of the terms without a variable on the other side, and we can pick whichever one. I'm going to go ahead and move all of the terms with variables to the left side. To do that, we need to add 4d here so that it cancels on the right, but we have to do the same thing on the left side to keep the equal sign balanced. Minus 4d plus 4d cancels. And then on the left side, 4d plus 4d gives us a total of 8d. And we still have the 13 and the 29. Now we need to continue isolating the variable. So we're going to subtract 13 from both sides so that the 8d is now isolated. And 29 minus 13 is 16. To continue isolating the variable, we need to divide both sides by 8. On the left, 8 divided by 8 cancels, and we're left with d equals 16 divided by 8 is 2, so our answer is d equals 2. We could also check this by putting 2 back into the original equation. However, it seems that I've run out of room, and so I challenge you to try it on your own by substituting 2 back in for every variable in the original equation. And we're all done.